Introducing Ask Me, agentic analysis of your FSx for ONTAP data estate with NetApp Workload Factory. Workload Factory offers an embedded agent named Ask Me that allows you to gain insight into your infrastructure through its chat widget. Its back end uses two complementary sources of intelligence. The first is a curated FSx for ONTAP knowledge base in Amazon Bedrock that includes documentation, blogs, and videos. The second is a live connection to your FSx for ONTAP data estate through the Model Context Protocol server. These data sources are sent by the backend to Bedrock Claude LLM to analyze real configurations, behavior, and events in your production environment and provide best practice insights and recommendations. Let's see it in action. In the Workload Factory home screen, you can use the free text box or use the conversation starters. These include chatting about your resources. For example, which FSx for ONTAP file system do you have? In this example, Ask Me provides a table containing detailed information about your file systems and their configuration. The second group of conversation starters discuss optimizing your workload AWS costs. For example, asking about the monthly storage costs of your file systems. In this example, Ask Me returns a table containing that monthly cost breakdown, as well as a graphical representation of the costs trend over time. The third group of conversation starters suggest topics for detecting operational insights, for example, volumes with high IOPS or latency in your FSx for ONTAP file systems. Ask Me shares key observations and recommendations for remediations. The final tab opens a free chat text with Ask Me as a trusted advisor. For example, you can ask how to set up a DR solution for your file systems and get a high-level architecture and step-by-step instructions. You can also use Ask Me to generate custom reports with actionable recommendations. For example, preparing a report about your ransomware protection readiness. There you have it. With Ask Me, planning, deploying, and operating FSx for ONTAP workloads according to best practices have become quicker, simpler, and more precise than ever. Ask Me, agentic analysis of your FSx for ONTAP data estate with NetApp Workload Factory.